Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Sunday the 16th of October, and tonight we are going to unbox a coffee machine. This is the Ninja Coffee Bar. Don't know what model it is, but it's the glass craft one. This was pretty highly rated on Amazon and was on sale for a pretty good price at Freddy's this week. So I decided that I would go ahead and pick one up and take it for a spin, because as much as I do love my pour-over equipment, it would be nice sometimes to just be able to have a really quick cup of coffee ready in the morning. So it does hot and cold coffee, does a travel mug, half carafe, full carafe, cup. I don't know if this does espresso or anything, probably not. You know, it's not actually an espresso machine. Let's see, here's some of the stuff it can do. Pause if you want to read any of that. Now, let's see, it does not seem to have a model on it. It does include a permanent filter. It also includes some Ninja Easy frother thing. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Now, as for why I went with this again, really it was just a decent price. I've been looking for a coffee machine since my old Hamilton Beach one crapped out. Yeah, let's see what we have here. So, let's go ahead and open her up. And let me raise this up so you can see maybe a little bit of what's inside here. Okay, maybe not. Well, then let's just take you off the tripod. So, what we have to begin with is a little instruction manual and stuff. You know, what to do and all that stuff. So we'll set that off to the side. Let's see, this looks like a coffee scoop. And then we have the plug, and I guess we need to take the top off. Or, for lack of any better space, throw that on the ground for now. And that is the machine in there. I'm going to go ahead and set this back on the tripod and pull the coffee machine out. There we go. So, let's see if there's going to be a best way to do this. I don't really see one. So let's slide the box over a little bit first. And kind of give it a light shake here. I do hope there is nothing important in any of that cardboard. Okay, there we go. Got the machine out. Let's set her down over here. Oh, looks like there's actually something in this guy. Alright, that's just a huge hunk of cardboard. And some more cardboard and styrofoam left in the box, so that's everything out of the box. So we'll get the box out of the way and try not to knock over my schmata in the process. Alright, so let's go back down now. Yes, my tripod is apparently a little squeaky tonight. Alrighty, so there is the coffee machine still all wrapped up. So let's take this plastic off here, spin it around, and let's see, with some foam, with more foam and whatnot. Alright. This is really well wrapped, that is for sure. Alright, put that out of the way. And plop that back in the box. And let's see. Alright, so this has got the carafe in it. Let's see, there's a little whole tab here, which really doesn't seem to want to work. Okay, that's interesting. Come on. I can tell this is supposed to be a tab, but boy, does that not want to cooperate. Huh. Alright, well, we may have to be a little violent with it here. Yep, well, that's one way to open it. Alrighty. There we go. Put the crap aside. And put that there. Like that. Looks like this is a little flippy, rusty thing-a-doodad. We'll stick that back up for now. Let's unwrap the craft here. Alright. There's a look at the glass carafe that this comes with. Obviously, you know, it just drips into there, so it's a drip machine, of course. Really tricky to get open, so I don't know if that actually opens. I would assume it does, because you've got to clean it somehow. Alright, well, let's see. Wiggle that off. There we go. Alrighty. So let's spin that around there. And let's open this guy up here. This is probably the little frother thing that came with. Yes, it is. Alright, so now that we've got everything unboxed, take a look at it. So, that's what it looks like. This is the easy frother that it comes with. Let's see if I can unwrap this thing here real fast. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is interesting. Whoa. There we go. Alright, so apparently that's how that works. Looks like you kind of just pump it and stuff, so I'll probably stick with this guy, which I got from IKEA, and actually works pretty well. I'm actually rather happy with it. Yep, so there you go. That's a little drip stopper. Here's the water reservoir, which I'm sure pulls out somehow to actually fill. I'm going to assume that's why it's taped. But there are the options: classic brew, rich brew, over, ice brew, specialty coffee, cleaning mode, all sorts of fun stuff. That's what it looks like. The little dripper. I don't think it's going to actually focus on that. Oh well. Yeah. That's about it. This I'm sure pulls out somehow. There we go. And that's your filter basket, which is reusable. And that'll about do it. There you have it. That's a Ninja Auto IQ coffee bar. That'll be it.